Did you know with the power of intention, you can literally change the size of your fingers? If you would like to observe that and experience that, watch this video till the end. This is Jack Canfield. He's international best-selling author of the book Chicken Soup for the Soul. Also, he has been previewed and appeared in one of the best viral movies that has been ever, is the movie The Secret, one of the best speakers. Before meeting Jack Canfield, it was very hard for me to explain people the power of inner world, how can it transform one's own life, how can the changes can be seen in the external world as well. But after meeting Jack Canfield, everything changed. People used to make fun of me because whenever I used to share about the inner world, intention, visualization, they didn't used to believe me. But when I attended one of Jack Canfield's seminar, it totally changed my perspective with the exercise he shared. Even logical people got convinced with the power of inner world. 95% of the people in the seminar room, their finger size could change and everyone could observe that. Would you like to observe that changes happening to your fingers right now? Then stay tuned, be ready. Follow this process along with me right now. So in the palm, we have these lines going upward. So the edge of the palm, you can see one line going upward. So both the hands join the fingers, matching the lines of both hands. Bring your hands into Namaste posture. Now, if you can observe, there are three possibilities. Your both hand fingers are of same size. That's totally normal. There are chances that your left hand fingers are bigger than your right hand. That's also normal. There are more chances that your right hand fingers are bigger than your left hand. That's also totally normal. So just for this example, bring the hand in front of you with hand size fingers are smaller in size. For example, my right hand fingers are smaller in size. I'm bringing in front of me. If you have equal size, bring any hand in front of you. So follow this process along with me. You need to say the word grow now along with me 5 times out loudly. Then only you can see the observe the changes. Most of you might observe, some of you might not able to observe. That's totally fine. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So let's get started. Observe your palm, observe your palm. Have total focus over your palm and repeat after me. Grow now, grow now, grow now, grow now. And now join the lines again. Bring your hands into Namaste posture again and see the change. Most of you could literally observe the change in the size of your fingers. How did this happen? Imagine we are getting 60,000 thoughts in a day. Out of 54,000 thoughts are negative. With just one intention, saying out 5 times, literally our fingers could grow. Imagine the power of each of your single thought. That's why it's very, very important for you to start focusing on your inner world, because it said what you focus on expands. So if you're committed towards transforming your health, financial, relationship, lifestyle, start working towards your inner world. Share in the comments, what do you think and feel about this perspective? Did your fingers grow? Did it not grow? And why do you agree inner world transformation is important to change the outer world? Share in the comments, and I would like to personally see the comments and personally reply to you. See you in the next video.